Okay, I just got my goodie bag from Harbor Freight. So here we have the corner and vice clamp. It's very useful if you do woodwork. Of course, sometimes I do mini projects around the house, and this will come very handy. So I bought 2 of these. They were on sale. This video is not sponsored, but I got these microfiber cleaning cloth 4-pack, 99 cents with coupons. So I got 4 of these. 2, 3, and 4. Staying with the woodwork or whatnot, I got this 6-inch clamp for $2.49 each at Harbor Freight. So I got 4 of them. So Merry Christmas to me again. I also got this 7-piece ratcheting, $22.98 on sale. Stop the tape. I didn't realize this item was missing a wrench until I got home, so I returned it the next day. Last but not least, here we have a 2-piece post level square set. It's also good if you're doing woodwork, so come in very handy. So again, Merry Christmas to me again. Wait, but there's more. I got 2 of these moving blankets for something with coupons, so make sure if you go to Harbor Freight, make sure you bring your coupons with you. So I got 2 of those for my basement studio. Last but not least, here we go. I got a roller seat just because when I'm working on my projects, I move around a lot, and sitting down and getting up, I start feeling it in my back. So this item was $24.99, and I had a coupon for 25% off on a single item, so I used it on this roller seat. So again, Merry Christmas to me again. If you're looking to save some money this year, this coming year 2024, check out Harbor Freight and look out for and keep an eye on the coupons and any other discounts that they might offer. You might save quite a few bucks. Thank you for watching, and be well.